Picture this: moving day. The boxes are stacked, the furniture is wrong, it's in a room it's never been in before. The walls smell like strangers. Your cat is pressed flat against the hallway wall, pupils wide, breathing shallow, not moving. Your dog is spinning in circles by the front door, tail a blur, trying to get to every box, every corner, every new smell at once. Same house, same moment, two animals, two completely opposite nervous systems doing exactly what they were built to do. What you're seeing isn't anxiety versus excitement, it's something far more precise and far more fascinating. It's the difference between a species that survives by mapping the world and a species that survives by reading you. One of them needs the environment to make sense, the other needs you to make sense. And today we're going inside the neuroscience of both. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, the way you see your pets during stressful moments will be completely different. Your cat isn't being dramatic. I want to say that plainly because we've spent generations misreading feline stress as sulking or aloofness or attitude. It's none of those things. What your cat is experiencing on moving day has a clinical name: environmental unpredictability. And for a cat, it isn't an inconvenience, it's a threat to survival itself. Here's why. Cats are, at their biological core, solitary hunters. Unlike dogs, they didn't evolve to exist in a social web. Their safety system is built around something external: the territory. Every scratch mark on your old sofa, every scent deposit along the baseboards, every preferred perch and hidden corridor, that wasn't decoration, that was a map. A living, constantly updated, chemically encoded map of a safe world. When you move, that map becomes worthless overnight. The new house has zero data, no familiar pheromones, no established escape routes, no confirmed safe zones. To your cat's brain, walking into that new living room isn't just walking into a new room, it's walking into the unknown with no intelligence at all. This triggers the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, the body's deep stress response. Cortisol and adrenaline flood the system. The cat freezes, scans, or hides, not because it's broken, because it's doing exactly what evolution designed it to do when spatial certainty collapses. But here's what most people miss. Researchers at Oregon State University found something remarkable about domestic cats. In a landmark study on feline attachment, they discovered that the majority of cats form what's called a secure base effect with their owners, the same attachment classification studied in human infants. When their person is present, cats explore more. When their person leaves, they become distressed. When their person returns, they settle. Your cat is using you as an anchor, not just emotionally, physiologically. Watch closely on moving day. The cat that is hiding will eventually emerge to find you, not to play, not for food, just to locate you in space. This is called behavioral mirroring. Research has shown that cats actually synchronize their rest activity cycles to their owners. They attune to your breathing patterns, your posture, the particular way you hold your body when you're stressed, which you absolutely are on moving day, gets registered by your cat as a signal. You are broadcasting information your cat is reading in real time. Slow, deliberate movement, calm, low voice, normal posture. These aren't just nice things to do, they're data. And right now, your cat desperately needs good data about whether this new environment is survivable. The territorial map will come. It takes days, sometimes weeks. Your cat will walk the perimeter. It will scent mark. It will find the corners and the high points. Slowly, the new place will accumulate meaning. The data will fill in. But in the gap, while that map is blank, you are the only stable thing in the room. You are the map. Now, let's talk about the dog spinning in circles. That isn't just enthusiasm, that is 15,000 years of co-evolution doing exactly what it was designed to do. Here's the key difference. Dogs adapted to live around humans. Dogs adapted to live with humans. That distinction sounds small. It is not. Genetic research has shown that dogs carry a mutation in several genes, including ones associated in humans with Williams-Beuren syndrome, a condition characterized by an intense, almost compulsive drive for social engagement. In humans, Williams-Beuren syndrome produces extreme sociability, a deep need for connection, a heightened sensitivity to the emotional states of others. In dogs, the evolution kept the social instinct. It hardwired them to want you, not just to be near you, to be oriented towards you, to track you, to read you, to use you as the primary source of information about how to feel about the world. This is why the dog on moving day isn't anxious about the house at all. It's excited because you're moving, because you're doing something, and wherever you go, it wants to be part of that. Researchers at the University of Milan and the Clever Dog Lab in Vienna have documented a behavior in dogs that still gives me chills when I think about it: referential looking. When a dog encounters something ambiguous, a strange noise, an unfamiliar object, an uncertain situation, it looks at you, not the way an animal might glance around, deliberately. It looks at your face, reads your expression, and uses that information to decide how to respond to the stimulus. This is the same cognitive mechanism used by human infants. A toddler sees a new toy on the floor and looks at mom. Mom smiles, child goes for it. Mom looks alarmed, child backs away. The dog does the same thing. What this means in practice, your emotional state isn't just something your dog senses, it's a navigational tool your dog is actively using. You are the instrument panel. And it goes deeper still. Studies have documented cortisol synchronization between dogs and their long-term owners, a phenomenon where a dog's cortisol levels actually track and mirror their person's stress levels over time, not just in the moment, across seasons, across life events. The dog's body is, in a very real biochemical sense, tuned to yours. So on moving day, your dog isn't thinking about the house, it's thinking about you. Is this a good thing? Your excitement says yes. Are we going somewhere fun? Your movement says yes. Is this safe? You're here, so yes. The new house is just the backdrop. The new house is just where you are right now. The dog doesn't need a map. The dog has you. And that is a completely different neurological strategy for navigating an uncertain world, one built not on spatial data, but on social data, on the one relationship the dog's entire nervous system has been shaped over 15,000 years of shared history to trust above all else. So let's hold both of these animals side by side for a moment. Same species category, domestic pet, same home, same human. Completely different survival architectures. The cat performs what we might call a security sweep. It needs to build a spatial model of the new environment from scratch. Every room must be assessed, every exit confirmed, every corner claimed. Until that internal map is complete, the cat's nervous system is running in high alert mode because the data required for baseline safety, territorial integrity, is simply missing. The cat seeks visual access to space. It needs lines of sight, high perches, hidden corners. It needs to know the geometry of where it lives. The dog performs something almost opposite, a social scan. It isn't checking the space, it's checking you. It looks to your face for emotional guidance. It positions itself relative to your body, not relative to the room. Its threat assessment system runs through you. The dog seeks visual access to you. It needs eye contact, proximity. It needs to know the geometry of your emotional state. This is the evolutionary split in full relief. Two different solutions to the same fundamental problem. How do you stay safe in a world that keeps changing? The cat says, learn the world, map it precisely, own it. Then you'll know when something is wrong because it will deviate from the map you've built. The dog says, find the one who already understands the world, attach to them completely, read them constantly. Then you'll know when something is wrong because they'll show you. Neither strategy is better. Both are brilliant, and both, in the context of a move to a new home, are running at full intensity, which is exactly why the two animals look so completely different in that hallway. Here's what I want you to take away from all of this. The next time your cat hides under the bed for 3 days after a move, or refuses to come out, or watches you from a distance with those wide, unreadable eyes, remember that it isn't being cold. It is paying a biological cost. It is rebuilding a world from nothing, and somewhere in the architecture of its stress response, it is also tracking you, waiting for your calm to confirm that this new place is worth mapping. And the next time your dog won't stop staring at you, or follows you from room to room, or looks up at your face every time something feels uncertain, remember that it is not being clingy. It is doing the most sophisticated thing its nervous system knows how to do. It is reading you. It is using you. It is trusting you with its entire threat assessment system. Both of these animals love you. They just love you in the languages their biology gave them. The cat loves you by letting you be its anchor in an unmapped world. The dog loves you by making you the map itself. That is an extraordinary thing when you think about it. These are wild animals, or they were once, and through thousands of years of shared life, they have handed us something of themselves that cannot be undone: a dependency, a tuning, a biological cost, and they pay it every single day. If this changed the way you see your pets, subscribe so you never miss a video like this one. And I want to know, who follows you more in your house, the cat or the dog? Tell us in the comments. The answers are always more interesting than you'd expect. I'll see you in the next one.